if you'll go into Ahmedabad, if you'll go into Mahesana, everywhere there is an oil fields are there, and the oil fields आकर क्या होता है, कभी कभी आसपास soil में गिर भी जाता है, leakage, then carrying someone that what is the transportation during that leakage, what will happen? Upper soil is covered with petrol. So soil particles covered with, the roots can take minerals? No. So the soil will become completely what? Infertile. But this petroleum is what? Inorganic or organic? And we have some bacteria, and if you put this bacteria, they will biodegrade this petroleum. Understood? And that is known as bioremediation. That is known as what? We can be able to again make this soil to be what is productive. Understood? But petroleum leakage and hydrocarbon spilling and all this making the soil to be infertile. Improper land filling. अभी अपने देखेंगे, I said that हमारे यहाँ, I said that whether it is an urban waste, urban solid waste, लोग क्या करते हैं? They are what is filling, and one ditch has been formed, and then it started what? Filling the waste. And then somewhere radioactive substances they started also filling. Understood? It should be, if when you are filling somewhere, it should be properly lined. Lined means समझते हैं, cemented or plastic, and it is in a lined, and I said that plastic, and plastic, you know, that non biodegradable, it will be remain over there, yes or no? And this way this organic waste over the period convert into other gases, other substances, other acids, it will not leach down. Understood? And it will, if it is leaching nearby soil and everything, will become what is in a highly what? Contaminated, and it is also contaminating our underground water. So there should be what is in a proper land filling. नहीं तो soil क्या होगा? Yes, tell me. Get infected by this kind of what is in a unwanted what is in organic substances and other inorganic substances, and the soil will become what? Infertile. Direct discharge of industrial waste into the land. आप लोग देखते होंगे दिल्ली and आसपास so many chemicals come directly coming into the what? Landslides, and they have a chemical, and then what it is in a micropollutant size particles. This way making the soil to be completely what? And then land filling of, similarly I said that land filling of radioactive waste, and it is the very much dangerous. Everything nearby get affected by this rays. Yes? And excessive farming, construction. Who is doing excessive farming? Punjab, Haryana. Understood? Construction, Delhi के चारों तरफ क्या हो रहा है? For the construction, what is the soil is what is the removing here and there? Yes, construction say fertile soil become it what is the for the whole life infertile, unusable. In the fertile soil you are making what is an industry, you are making your what is an houses, then the fertile soil become lost forever. Yes, yes, construction. If you are making the canals from the fertile soil, then it has been lost forever. Yes. So any kind of construction on the fertile soil it is happening, it is what? Lost forever, that kind of soil. Overgrazing, and then you are grazing beyond the limit of soil, and then after that overgrazing will remove the grass completely. And then what happened? Topsoil exposed, and when the topsoil exposed, there will be what? Seat erosion. Easily the wind and the rainfall any can remove the topsoil. The topsoil has been exposed. Burning of grass cover and deforestation. Deforestation will again, ये सारे क्या है? Deforestation, burning of the grass covers. कई लोग क्या करते हैं? Grass को क्या करते हैं? Burn करते हैं. And by burning, what will get? Carbon in the soil. Yes or not? Again, that is but you are getting the carbon, but exposing the topsoil for making the seed erosion. Deforestation. I said that how do the deforestation is causing soil erosion. Again, मैं यहाँ पे पहले आऊँ. हम लोगों ने क्या क्या देखा? Excessive tillage, making the soil to be completely till deeper, what is an infriable. Less irrigation causes, I said that, saline and alkaline soil in the Rajasthan where there is water is less. If it is coming sulfates, chlorides and other of sodium, potassium, magnesium, if the chloride and sulfates are coming, it is known as what? Saline soil. And this soil can be reclaimed with the proper irrigation and gypsum. And then when the carbonates and bicarbonates are coming, it is making the soil to be what? Alkaline. So we have been able to see less irrigation. Heavy irrigation causes what? Is enough. Over irrigation causes, yes, in the Punjab, Haryana, Western UP areas, making the soil to be saline. And thereafter we have seen acidic. In the marshy area, waterlogging condition throughout, it is making the soil to be what? Saline. Acidic. Excessive use of fertilizer and what? Pesticides, killing the macroorganism and microorganism. And this way the soil will become losing this. And slowly soil, the compactness will lost. Because your organism try to make the soil to what? Compact and then full of nutrients. Petroleum leakage and hydrocarbon spilling, it is clear. And then improper landfilling, it is in a landfilling or it is in a landfilling of the radioactive waste. And then excessive farming, yes, excessive farming Punjab. Constructions, whether it is for industrial purpose, settlement purpose, canal purpose, it is in a kind of what? Loss of the fertile soil. Overgrazing, burning of the topsoil, and I said that deforestation. Which one I said that? Suppose I said that on this there is trees are there. So when that, suppose how much I have asked, how much time will take to drink a glass of water? You say 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Yes. Soil has also capacity of infiltration of the water. And suppose 10 liter of rainfall is taking place, and if the trees are there, then first it will fall on the leaves. Then slowly it will come onto the, if there is no tree, it will directly fall onto the ground. Whole 10 liter. But if it is there is trees are there, first it will leaves, then it will be branches, then it will come onto the stem, then the trunks, then they slowly come onto the what? Roots. And it will take too much time. And slowly out of 10 liter of water, 9 liter has been infiltrated. And 1 liter is flowing. And this 1 liter is also somewhere absorbed. This way, trees and deforestation help in what is and their roots are also holding the soil. This way I said that it is what? Reducing the soil erosion. Yes or not? But if the trees are not there, the 10 liter to 10 liter, it will all fall on the ground and will topsoil will, जिसको बोला जाता है what? Overland flow. The topsoil will move away in the form of which flow? Over 10 के 10 लीटर पानी नहीं जाएंगे. आपको एक बार बोला जाए, you will say, sir, 10 seconds I'll take to drink a glass of water, but I'll say suddenly you just drink. If I'll do like this, all the water will fall down. Yes or not? Not even a pinch of water will go inside it. Yes. In the similar manner, when the 10 liter water, all it is falling, so all will what? Flow on the top surface. It is known as, why I said that, overland. So the deforestation also causes what? Overland flow, and the topsoil is heavily eroded, and that we have seen 2013 flash flood. All the muds come into the soil. जो आप कभी लैंडस्लाइड में पढ़ेंगे, there is a mud flow, earth flow, debris flow. These are the things which are happening. ये नहीं है. I said dumping of solid waste. हमारे यहाँ दिख रहा है कहाँ soil को खराब कर रहे हैं. दिल्ली में कल पहाड़ बताया था. And deforestation and soil erosion. Understood? So soil is degrading. समझ में आ चुका? So degradation of the, what is it? Land or soil. So we have seen soil pollution or land pollution. और उसके लिए I said that यदि soil में most of the organic waste, जैसे अभी बताया था, there is a what? Organic waste is filling inside. So these organic waste are what is going inside and making the soil to be highly what is an unwanted organism. उसको हमको खत्म करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Oxygenation. कल बताया था ना, oxygenation causes decomposition of what is an organism. Algae के केस में बताया था, and anywhere there is an oxygen there is need. And then thermal remediation, kabhi heating, and then bioremediation. These are the way that we can also make the soil to be what is again, which is not supposed to be fertile to again. और हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? We should do proper tillage. we should do proper irrigation, proper use of fertilizer, pesticide, proper land filling, best agriculture practice. हम लोग कौन सा एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं? मोनोकल्चर जनरली. आफ्टर विच ग्रीन रिवोल्यूशन, राइस wheat, yes. And we are also not following the land. हम लोग एक बार भी we should do, what is the meaning of crop rotation? What is the meaning of crop rotation? Yes, tell me. Crop rotation means? What is mixed cropping? First year you have given this one crop, second year another crops, and third year another crop, but in between some leguminous which are fixing the nitrogen, and then I said that fourth year or fifth year fallow the land without agriculture. By the time that year, so many grasses will grow on your land, and those grasses over the period they will give lots of proteins. Protein, I said there's some minerals, and then I said some kind of organic, and then third year, next year karoge, then you will get again more productive soil. So I said that when the 1 year that you are following the land, that year it is making your soil to be rejuvenate. Again वो क्या हो जाएगा? Very fertile. So this way crop rotation should be there, and in organic farming crop rotation is a part. Organic farming means using organic manure, organic pesticides, organic insecticides, and at the same time we have to crop rotation is also the part of what? Organic farming. Understood? So best agriculture practice: afforestation, reforestation. And what is the meaning of reforestation? Where the forest has been removed, वहाँ पे दोबारा लगाओ, so that the soil should not be eroded. And then afforestation means, I said that it is the area where the earlier forest is not there, in that area forestry. And आप लोग बाद में पढ़ेंगे agroforestry and social forestry. So this way we can make more forestry, and then this is the way we can make the soil to be what I said that. Just tell me. Fertile, and making it is in a life is better. Yes. अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा सारा कैसे कचरा जमा किया जा रहा है पता नहीं, सब बर्बाद करने के लिए रेडी. सॉइल को मतलब कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं. So what we should do what we should do in decreasing this waste onto the soil, what we should do? First I said refuse to buy new things already what you have. Yes or no? Reduce to buy new things. Reduce the what is an unnecessary waste surrounding. Or refuse, yes or no, buying new things, and reduce new generation kind of waste. And reuse, आप एक बैग खरीदे हो तो एक ही बैग को बहुत बार चलाओ, सील कर चलाओ. बाहर वाले क्या बोलेंगे? आप गरीब हो. गरीब आपके मन से आप गरीब बनते हो. The people used to purchase new things because of I am throw it out. So reuse the things instead of throwing it out, and recycled products should be used like jute bags. Understood? So I said that what are the 4 R we have to do? Reuse, reduce, refuse, and recycle. Understood? So this is about, I said that water pollution, land pollution and all, so many things are there, लेकिन अभी हम लोग ने. So we have finished with what? क्या finish किया हमने? Yes, air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Now we are going to start with biodiversity.